Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall. I don't know why, but I was watching, y'all remember the movie, The Karate Kid? I'm talking about the first one, the first Karate Kid. I was watching it the other day, and I never knew how deep that joint. So look, Danielson had got into a fight and got tore up, like he got beat up in a fight. And you know, he wanted to learn how to protect himself. He wanted to learn karate. So he went to Mr. Miyagi and wanted Mr. Miyagi to teach him some karate moves. Said, look, I need to learn how to do karate so I can defend myself because I just got beat up. I got tore out the frame, right? So he get to the house. This is the first day. He get to the house and Mr. Miyagi tells Danielson, look, I want you to start waxing the car.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off.
And Danielson looking at my man like, yo, I want to learn karate, and I had to wax on and wax off the car. Second day came. He tells Danielson, look, I want you to sand the floor.
Right the circle, left the circle.
Wait, wouldn't it be easier going back and forth?
But you go circle. Right the circle, left the circle.
And Mr. Miyagi walked away and told him, and make sure you do the right form that I'm teaching you. And Daniel, you know, he reluctant, but he did it anyway, right? Third day came around. And so Mr. Miyagi tells Danielson, today we're gonna learn how to paint the fence. And Danielson at this point, he's like, bruh. And Mr. Miyagi said, you learn how to do karate, but first you gotta learn how to paint this fence. So Danielson said, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the fence. He said, you paint this way. You go up, you come down. So after he taught him how to wax on, wax off, he was sanding the floor, he was painting the fence. On the fourth day, Mr. Miyagi came to him and started throwing some punches at him. And Mr. Miyagi pulled him and he said, Danielson, he said, I want you to wax on, wax off, then I want you to sand the floor. He said, and then I want you to paint the fence. And Danielson was like, well, what you talking about? What you talking about? So Mr. Miyagi threw one, two, and Danielson started waxing on, blocking punches, painting the fence, blocking punches, sanding the floor, blocking punches. And look, Danielson caught it then. He was like, wow, now I see what he's doing for me, not what he was doing to me. I need you to start waxing on and waxing off. I need you to get in your process. I need you to understand that it's not happening to you, it's happening for you. Life happens. Life is always gonna happen. Things are gonna come your way that's gonna get you down, that's gonna depress you, that's gonna make you think, woe is me. But I need you to stand up, stand firm, stand flat-footed, and accept what's happening for you. Be like Danielson. You might not wanna do it, but you're gonna do it because you know it's a part of your process. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.